purpose of doing this video today. So here I am officially welcoming all of you to our first ever series called Aditalam. So our series called Aditalam is based on a Bharatanatyam dance footwork. So basically it involves all the adavus which we are using to compose jatis. So jati is like a backbone of any Bharatanatyam items and it involves a lot of adavus. It's a pattern that gives us a basic feel of a talam. So there are a lot of adavus which we use in jati composition, and jatis in every Bharatanatyam item has different kinds of speed. For some items, there's just one speed, that's a third speed, it will be really fast. And for some other items, it would be like it would start from the first speed and then go to the second speed, then third speed. So it keeps varying like that. So today we are going to see a few basic adavus which we use for composition of jati. So yes, I hope so all of you are ready for this session and series. It's actually a session and a series. For those who are interested to learn what is a jati and how it works, then yes, it's kind of like a session. So hold your gurus tight and let's get started into the video. Today's episode, since it's just the basics, I've come up with 5 basic adavus which is really common for jati composition, and these are really important ones. Like, these are the basic ones from which we start composing any type of jatis. So let's get started. There's more to it rather than me explaining it. So yes, let's get into the demo. I'll show you how it's done. This is a very basic and very common adavu, and this is adavu that comes under the Nat adavu. So I'm going to show you the first and the 7th step of Teyyam Tatta, Teyyam Taha of Nat adavu. So let's get back. Start from Sama. Sit in Aramandi. Dalam kutakati kutakatati kitatum Teyyam Ta Teyyam Taha Teyyam Ta Ta Teyyam Taha. So we're going to sit in Aramandi. Stretch your right leg towards the right side on your heels and bring it back. Same goes for left. Stretch your left leg towards the left side on your heels. Bring it back to the position. And that's it. This is the most basic and common step. So let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Teyyam Ta Ta Teyyam Taha Teyyam Ta Ta Teyyam Taha. This is the first step of Nat adavu and the first adavu which I was going to show you. Now I'm going to show you the 7th one. 7th step of Nat adavu. Dalam kutakati kutakatati kitatum Teyyam Ta Ta Teyyam Taha Teyyam Ta Ta Teyyam Taha. So basically this is a very basic adavu which we use for jati composition. It has different speeds. So basically it is done in the 2nd and 3rd speed because there's no first speed basically for this adavu. So it is usually done it very fast. So yeah, I'll show you how it's done. So now I'm going to show you the first adavu, Ta Te Te Tam Dit Te Te Tam. Dalam kutakati kutakatati kitatum Ta Te Te Tam Dit Te Te Tam Ta Te Te Tam Dit Te Te Tam Tam. First, start from Samam, then sit in Aramandi with your legs in an angle of 360 degree, and the step goes like: tap twice on your right leg, move it to your right side, place your left leg behind your right leg in swastika position and tap back to your right leg. Same goes with the left. Tap twice on your left, move towards your left side, place your right leg behind your left leg in swastika position, tap your left and back to Sam. So it goes like twice on right, moving towards right, left behind your right leg and tap your right leg. Tap twice on your left, your right leg behind your left leg, tap on your right leg, back to summer. This is the first speed that I showed you. Now I'll show you the actual speed, that's the second and third speed which we use for jatis most commonly. Dalam kutakati kutakatati kitatum ta te te da te te ta ta te te ta te 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 ta ta te te ta te te ta ta te te ta te te ta ta. So we're done with the second basic kadavu of Teyam Tata Teyam Taha. Now moving on to the next one, the third one, that is Teha Tehi Teha Tehi. It's a very easy step. You do it on your toes basically. It is just to do with your toes and your heels. So I'll show you how it's done. Third basic kadavu. Dalam kutakati kutakatati kitatum teha tehi teha tehi teha tehi teha tehi. So this is a very simple step. You start from Sama to your position, Aramandi position. Hop on your toes on both the feet. Teha. Bring it back to the position. Tehi. Teha, tehi. That's it. Final practice. Once more for the third step. Dalam kutakati kutakatati kitatum teya ta. Yeah, so once more final practice for the third step. Dalam kutakati kutakatati kitatum teha tehi teha tehi. First Tattaitam Nittaitam. Dalam kutakati kutakatati kitatam ta te tam de te tam da te tam de te tam da te tam de te tam da te tam de te tam. Now I'll explain step by step. So start from Sama to your position Aravanalam and then tap once on each leg. 1, 2, 3. That's the te tam. On 3 you stretch your legs towards the right side. Bring it back to the position. De te tam. You bring it back and jump on both of your legs. Again bring it back. Ta, te, tam. Stretch your right legs towards the right side. Keep your left in swastika position and again jump towards the right side. De, te, tam. Same goes for the left. Ta, te, tam. This time stretch your left leg towards the left side. Bring it back. De, te, tam. Jump on both legs. Stretch your left leg again. Ta, te, tam. Bring your right leg into swastika position and jump to your left side. De, te, tam. Again in swastika position. So hope you understood the first Tattaitam Nittaitam. Moving on to the second one. Moving on to the second Tattaitam Nittaitam. Dalam kutakati kutakatati kitatam ta te tam de te tam ta te tam de te tam. So I'll explain how it's done step by step. It's the same as the first Tattaitam Nittaitam. The only thing you do is, in this step you don't jump. Instead of that, you turn, cross your legs and come back to position. So this is how the step goes. Ta, te, tam. As we did earlier, tap once on each leg and then stretch your right leg. De, te, tam. You bring back your right leg, turn. Murmandi, ta, te,
tam. So basically you sit in Murumandi and then you turn, you cross your legs, bring your left leg which is crossed towards the right side back to position. Then te ta. Same goes for left with the right leg crossed the other side. Moving on towards the third tateta tateta. Dala kutakati kutakati kitato ta te ta de te ta ta te ta de te ta. This is like the easiest step in all the tatetams. So same as the first tatetam, but here we don't cross, we don't jump like on both the legs. Instead we just turn, sit in Murumandi and then back to position. Turn back and come to position. So it goes like ta te tam di te tam. Till di te tam there's a stop. Then you turn ta te tam Murumandi with your back in the straight position. Ta te tam di te te. So yes, that was the third tatetam tatetam. Hope you all understood.
So we are done with the first 4 adavus. Now moving on to the last 5th adavu. Trimuna adavu. The first set under Trimuna adavu. Dalam kutakati kutakati kitatom di di tei takati kuti di tei. So this is the first one, di tei. So I'll explain step by step how it's done. From Samam to your positions in Aramandalam, place your right leg towards the front on your heels, tap your left leg, bring back your right leg. Same goes to the left, stretch your legs on to your front on your heels, tap your right leg, bring back your left leg to the position and back to Samam. So step goes like dalam kutakati kutakati kitatom di thi tei takati miti ti tei. Moving on to the next one under Trimuna adavu. Second one set to tei di ti tei. Dalam kutakati kutakati kitatom tei thi thi tei takati miti thi thi tei. Now I'm gonna explain step by step. It's the same as Dithite as we saw before, but the only difference here is you tap your right leg first and then do the Dithite step. Okay. Same goes for left. Tap your left leg first and then stretch your left leg and do the Dithite step. Yes, hope you all got it right. The third set under Trimuna adavu. Dalam kutakati kutakati kitatom tei tei di ti tei takati miti tei thi thi tei takati. So same thing again. Dithite is a common thing in all these 3 sets. So what we do is in this te we just tap each on right and left te te and same Dithite step. Te. Same goes for left. Te te thi thi te. Hope you all got the 4th set. So So these are the 5 basic adavas for jati composition. These are one among the 5 basic adavas. And here we come to an end of our first episode of Aditalam, and hope you guys found it pretty useful and enjoyed it, which is the most important. For those who are looking forward to learn more more steps or more about Bharatnatyam, please do watch this. I hope so it will be pretty useful for everyone. And also the next video will be done by Grishma. That's the second episode, and that will be the rest of the adavas. Obviously guys, this isn't it. There are more adavas to construct a very good jati. So basically these are just the bases and common adavas. There are more to come up, and that will be done by Grishma. So yeah, hope you guys love the video, and stay tuned for the second episode, which will be coming soon. And yes, do not forget to like, share, subscribe. You guys know the drill, don't have to say. So go hit the subscribe button so that you guys get notifications when we upload a new video. So stay tuned, love you all, enjoy your day, stay home, stay safe, bye.